You know, from garage displays to indoor workstations, an industrial desk is a great place to display keepsakes, maximize storage space, and keep you organized. I'm Rob North, Master Craftsman, and today I'm going to show you how we built this unique industrial style desk complete with pine shelves, fitted pipe legs, drawers for all your tools, and even a secret compartment. Here are the tools you're going to need to make it happen. Now here's a list of the materials you're going to be working with. All right, now let's get down to it. We're going to start with the tabletop and the shelving surfaces. First thing we have to do is figure out our dimensions. We decided we wanted to go about 6 feet wide by about 5 feet high by 30 inches deep at its maximum. Once we had all that done, all we have to do is cut our lumber down accordingly. This is the cut list we used. Pause the video here or click the button to download our project plans. We ripped our boards down to size and then ran them through a planer to make sure they were level and smooth. We used our dowel joining jig to drill holes for the dowels. After the dowel pins were set, we lined them up, added some glue, and fit the joints together with a rubber mallet. Once the glue had dried, we sanded and stained all of the wooden surfaces. That way we didn't have to worry about it once the pipes were introduced to the piece. While waiting for the stain to dry, we built up the legs and shelf supports with the pipe. Now, in order to turn simple pipes into a support structure for our desk, we needed to figure out our pipe configuration. Here's a detailed look at the configuration we used. Pause the video here or click on the button to download our project plans. In this case, we wanted to construct a wider tabletop with 2 narrower upper shelves. We also made sure to leave at least 1.5 inches of overhang on the front of the tabletop so we can add an apron later on. Once we had our layout planned, we were able to start attaching the threaded pipe to the floor flanges and the T-connectors. The pipes will create a bracing for the back and the sides of the piece, as well as adjustable legs for the tabletop. We used 3/4 inch pipe to make the bottom legs and 1/2 inch pipe on the top for the shelf supports. With our wood dry and our pipe configuration assembled, we were ready to attach the legs. With the tabletop upside down, we placed the leg configuration on top and attached the flanges to the underside with some wood screws. We did the same thing with the 2 shelves. Placed the pipes where we wanted them and attached the flanges. Once the shelves were assembled, we attached them to the tabletop section with some more wood screws. Once our shelves were complete and our desk was looking good, it was now time to switch gears and work on the apron and that secret compartment I was telling you about. All we had to do to make the apron was take the 1x pine and attach it to the underside of the front of the table. Now it's time for the fun part, the secret compartment. We used a simple hinge and a magnetic push catch so our drawer could drop down and open to store whatever goodies you want to keep in there. The important thing is to make sure the face of the drawer is flush with the rest of the apron so that it appears invisible. We also added a couple of other decorative pieces to help keep it secret. The next thing we needed to do was build and install our drawer. If you need more information on how to build a drawer, you can click on this button right here. To make things easy, we use butt joints on the edges and a dado near the bottom to slide the bottom piece in. If you want to know more about how to make a butt joint, click on this link. We attached the hinge to the drawer and the underside of the tabletop. We also tied a string to the inside and attached it to the top to prevent the drawer from opening too far. All right, we're almost done. Only thing left to do was make a couple of drawer guides and add some drawers. For the top drawers, all we did was cut some rabbets into some 1x stock. For the bottom, did the same thing with 2x4 stock. We then screwed them in from the bottom and put stops in the back so the drawers wouldn't go all the way through when you put them in. As far as the drawers, we just went with some pre-made wire mesh ones. But you don't have to do that. Make your own. Be creative. It is your desk. Shh, now don't tell anybody. But there you have it. An industrial desk with a hidden compartment. I'm Rob North. That's how you get it done. Click these buttons for the plans to this project or for information on the tools you need to make it happen. You know, from garage displays to indoor workstations, an industrial desk is a great place to display keepsakes, maximize storage space, and keep you organized. I'm Rob North, Master Craftsman, and today I'm going to show you how we built this unique industrial style desk complete with pine shelves, fitted pipe legs, drawers for all your tools, and even a secret compartment. Here are the tools you're going to need to make it happen.